Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from probability. The question is P of I is the probability of an event EI that number I is selected from the first 10 natural numbers. Okay, in both the questions, it is given that probability of selecting a number is proportional to the remaining bits. So let us see the probability of this event is proportional to the number, right? So we can take it as P probability of event I is equals to the number I. Okay, so not equals to I, proportional, right? This can be written as P of EI is equals to some constant into I. Okay, say for example, if I am saying 5, this can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 1, right? In that sense, we can take like this, no? Right? Say for example, 5 into 2, this is taken 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We'll get 10, right? So, in this sense, how we can write this as Ki is nothing but here Ki can be written as how ma? K into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 100. Okay. Plus 10 means summation. Okay. Understood? But what we know, but sum of all probabilities is always 1. Therefore, what we can write this as K into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 10 is equals to 1. Okay, because this is equals to Ki. Ki is nothing but it's a probability of an event, right? Probability of an event summation. So sum of all probabilities is always 1. So this is sum of first n natural numbers is given by what my formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is equals to 10. So n into n plus 1 by 2 equals to 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 10 into 11 by 2. 2 in 10, 5 times. So what we got? 55. Right? So this is equals to K of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 10 is given by what? 1, which implies K into this full what we got? 55. So K of 55 equals to 1, which implies K equals to 1 by 55. Okay. Then in the first bit it is asked to find the probability of event 5. So as we know that P of EI is equals to 1 by 55 K into I. Here in the first bit I is equals to 5. Substituting I value in this, P of E5 equals to 1 by 55 into 5. 5 in 55, 11 times. Therefore, P of E5 is equals to 1 by 11. This is first bit answer. Next, coming to second bit, what? If probability of selecting a number is proportional to square of the number. Square of the number means what we can take? probability of an event is equals to square of the number k I square, right? Again this can be written as summation of k I square, which is equals to k into 1 plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus 10 square. Okay, and this is equals to 1. Sum of all probabilities is always 1. So this is sum of squares of first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, here given n equals to 7 sorry 10, n equals to 10. Substitute that 10 into 10 plus 1 into 10 plus 10 into 2 plus 1 by 6, which is equals to 10 into 11 into 20 plus 1, 21 by 6. 3 2s, 3 7s, 2 in 10 5 times, which is equals to 55, 385. Okay, so from this what you can say? P of EI is equals to, before this what we know, k of 385 is equals to 1, k equals to 1 by 385. Therefore P of EI is equals to KI, which implies P of EI is equals to 1 by 385 into I. In the second bit I is given 7, so substitute I in this equation. So P of E7 is equals to 1 by 385 into 7. Okay, 7 5's 35, again 5 55. So P of E7 equals to 1 by 55. Understood? Like this we can solve the problems. If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.